WebRezPro sends various emails to guests on your behalf. These include reservation confirmations, cancellations, modifications, and other emails you set up. When any email is sent, it contains a return address. Traditionally, property management systems could use your property's email as the return address in all outgoing emails. Guests would receive and reply to these emails without issue. However, with the proliferation of internet spammers, the email landscape has changed. Now, if a PMS attempts to send an email to a guest on your property's behalf, it may be flagged as suspicious and potentially won't make it to your guest's inbox. So what does this mean for you? To ensure guests always receive your emails, and vice versa, WebRezPro has changed the way we handle email communication. Here's how it works. Emails generated by WebRezPro will use an @webrez.com domain name. For example, if your property's email address is info@yourhotel.com, the outgoing email address will look like this. If a guest responds to this email, your property will receive an email that looks like this. If any further correspondence is required, the guest address should be used to compose a new email. This is a simple and effective solution that doesn't require any action on your part. If you would like outgoing WebRezPro emails to use your property's domain name as the return address, there is an optional interface allowing two-way communication between WebRezPro and your outgoing mail server. This option is only available if your property's email server is capable of accepting SMTP communication, and you can provide the appropriate server credentials. With this interface, emails sent from WebRezPro will pass through your email system before arriving at your guest's inbox. It's a solution that allows guests to receive and reply to WebRezPro-generated email using your property's email address. If you have any further questions about email communication, or if you would like to set up an interface between WebRezPro and your email server, contact WebRezPro today.